Visit www.flitpay.com and log into your account using your registered email ID and password. Then, tap on Wallet in the bottom navigation bar of the app. In the wallet, scroll through the upper navigation bar and select Account Statement. Now, choose the report type from the drop-down menu and duration. You can also manually set the duration by specifying the transaction range. To generate your report, click on Generate Report. Congratulations! You have successfully generated your Flitpay account statement. The requested statement will be sent to you via email within 15 minutes. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulatory and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries and concern, write to us at support.flitpay.com.